Hello, hello. How's it going? We are literally at a point on Bitcoin where we may see it dip down to 21,000 as we speak. I'm at 2201, 22. Oh, so close. So I think it is finding good support at 22 right now, but it has been hugging, trying to get to 21. Let's see, got to 21,800. That was the lowest. So it's just been hugging this range, trying to find some good support here, but it's definitely not a crash of any sort. Um, Definitely got some bearish tendencies here, but I do believe once this meeting happens, we'll see what happens. And what meeting am I talking about? I'm talking about the Fed meeting that's scheduled for tomorrow into Wednesday. We're going to figure out how many basis points we're going to go up and what's really going on in the crypto world. Is the basis points going up? Oh, here we go. We just hit the 21,978. So now we are below that 22,000 support by you guys see how quickly this goes up and down. So now it'll be intriguing because people are waking up. They're like, oh no, my Bitcoin's going down. And my real question is, are they going to continue to hold or is this going to cause some kind of panic sell and it just starts going down, you know? And then the other question is when the Fed meeting happens tomorrow and to Wednesday there, what's going to happen as well. Good morning, Teddy and Triple G's Eco Bella. Nice to see you. Welcome to the morning stream. We like to have fun around here. Please smoke that like button. It does help the channel with the YouTube gods, push us up into their search results. So definitely need to grow the gang, if you will. Let me see here. BTC, how do you get money off of here? Anyone? BTC liquidity of market is lowering. The price may drop more. Lower highs, lower lows. This is not the breakout you're looking for. Go about your business. BTC, it will boom up. Wait and watch. BTC hard rejection at 23K. Hard rejection at 22K, too, to be honest. Or not too much support at 22K. Sorry, not rejection. Rejection's on the way up, and if it gets rejected at a resistance level, that's when you know. Horizontal suggests that the breakout is not imminent. Asia EU market showed no appetite for reversal. If US markets follow suit, then expect more downside. Interesting. Why printing more money though? Any thoughts? Contracto. BUSD has been minted by Binance. It's only 28 million BUSD though. BTC 100% bullish. It's going to 31K. Oh my god. Don't listen any fudders. Any fudders here or desperate whales who dumping the market 3 to 4 a.m. Ha ha ha. Are you blind? Do you see DXY? Do you see the stocks failing DXY and rising stocks? There is no chance for any crypto bear run any longer. Don't be full. Don't be stupid. What the hell? What am I reading here? No more accumulation of 20K. Accept it and destroy your account. Simple. We are okay with both. So what? This guy's really feeling to the fudder's wills. It is over. Better accept that, or you'll just sell your coins early in the morning, and then the other will buy it at a cheap price. Bear market is over. Wow, this guy's really feeling bear market's over, man. It definitely hasn't gone down to 20,000, but after tomorrow's, I see here, let's see, basis points matter because it affects mortgage loan rates, auto loan rates, business loans, and lines of credit. A tightening access to money and capital really starts to hit home psychologically. Absolutely. If your rates go up for your mortgage, for your auto loan, for all this, and the CPI is up, then really tends to indicate that it is very tough to accumulate money, right? To accumulate wealth to go spend it on other investments such as crypto, such as stocks, right? Because you're spending more money paying off your loans, paying off buying that new car, buying the next purchase because what used to be a 20 under 20, what was it, $17,000 Corolla is now a $25,000 Corolla. 100 basis points. Keith, welcome, welcome. Thanks for stopping by here. Good afternoon, Teddy. I'm big on Seifu, moving into Seifu X. Give me a reason to buy into yield token you spoke about last night, please. Yeah, I would still believe that Seifu has good potential, but one of the main things that is recognized is when the value of the token goes down and Seifu is rewarding you in X amount of tokens, it doesn't matter how much of that token you have. It doesn't matter if you've accumulated 100,000%, 200,000. If the token is meaningless, you having more of the token still makes that token meaningless. What you need is more people coming in, buying it, keeping that floor, keeping that movement up. And with tokens like Seifu, here, one second, let me just, and Titano, no, Titano. All right, so here's Seifu. We're at 19. Wait, is this the right Seifu? I think so. Website. All right, so we're here. Let me see what they say now. So they're at 383,000 APY percentage, guys. Over 154,000 customers, right? Let's go look. Interest will be paid, so they have a set time. They're always paying interest. Fixed staking APY. Well, what yield is saying is there is a flaw in this contract address, right? Click to buy Seifu. Let me see if I can just copy this to Dex Tools. So these high yield, and this isn't the only one. Like what yield has done is they've also researched. We good? We good, fam? Wait. Yeah, BNB Smart Chain. So this one, Pancake V2, 129,000 transactions. I'm telling you, there's something going on with Dex Tools. It's taking a little bit longer to load all the time nowadays. All right. So what they say. Where is all this? So the highest it's been. We're really following this graph here. 200 something dollars, right? Guys, we're at 90% of that. We're at $20. You have lost at least 90% of your thing. Accumulating 380, whatever the percentage is. Sorry, let me get the actual percentage. 383,000. Every single holder should be a millionaire. You're getting this many tokens of Seifu. They should all be up. You should all be like taking profits like anything. Even at $20, you get 383,000 APY interest being paid out. Where are all the millionaires? What's happening? I think there is a flaw. I think when you do a fixed price like this, it really will turn into a point where your staking will become meaningless because it doesn't mean anything. Even at $20, you're holding something, you're getting this much APY in return. I don't know. It just doesn't make sense. And this isn't the only one, right? There's also Titano. Yeah, here it is. So here's Titano, right? Another one of these. It's at something zero something. It's also on Binance chain. So we'll grab this. We'll go to our trusty Dex Tools. Here's Titano again. Oh, I accidentally clicked on the wrong pancake swap. Where are the millionaires at, man? Where are the millionaires at? You have so much of this token. Wait, what the hell? What happened to my price chart? Why did it go down? Why do you do this? What the? All right, it's fine. But still, we're at the oversold, so maybe some buys coming in now. But it's really tough, especially with this market. There's no indicators that anything is gonna happen more than it already has. Let's see. This was at, oh my god, we were at a cent. Were we high? Oh my god, why did you do that? Stay up there. Just trying to figure out how much you went up. We're at 3 cents at one point, 4 cents. Oh my god. You're at 25 cents when this thing opened up. You think all those guys that got in, shouldn't they all have money? Shouldn't this, like, because of the fixed APY, why is this downtrending like this? More tokens are being filled into people's pockets. Things are going up. Like, show me the logic. Show me that fixed APY percentages work, especially crazy amounts, right? Like 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. They all offer this. And it's just like, what's causing this one's 100,000, 100,483. 35 million, 80,000. At least one of those 80,000 you would think are millionaires, like, already, with the amount of tokens that they're getting back, you know? It's an auto staking token. Where else have I heard this auto staking token? From Maximus, from Hex, right? Hex does tiered staking as well. This will only go on so long till people realize that once the token's meaningless, getting X amount of token from it doesn't really mean anything. What you need is people to continuously come back and keep buying it, you know? So I hope these two examples kind of open your eyes there, Cornish Crypto, because I think this is the flaw, you know. And I'm not saying Yield Protocol is going to be the end all be all. I think Yield Protocol will come to a point where having that 200% and getting that DAO on top of it as like the governance, and they have the voting period where that APY can change depending on votes. So if you feel, hey, 200% is too much to reward to our holders, we need to bring it down, they have the ability to do that. Hand Bun, what's going on? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I love the idea of rebate tokens. Just want to find one that will work long term. So this is something, I don't know if you guys have watched Rodney's channel, right? So I know you guys have watched Rodney's channel, but he used to be a big guy in Olympus DAO. Oh, Olympus DAO, it's going to give me back this much percentage and cause this much. You know, a lot of these DAOs have the same flaw that you see in Safo and Titano, right? It's just a real rebase tokens. Okay, so they rebase themselves. Really, what I like is the passive income tokens as well. You know, something that where your tokens work for you, which is one of the reasons I got into Saitama with the reflections. I'm like, oh my god, you get reflections, right? BTC around 10 to 14,000 end of year. What the heck? 10 to 14,000. What's gonna have to happen? End of year? Yeah, but there's elections and stuff. Like, we would need something horrible. Oh wow, we are literally dipping down 21,900. So we started the stream around 22,000 and it was just hugging. And then this time it's dropped down to 21,900, but it's not a significant, like, boom, everything's crashed. It's just like slow consolidation, I think. I don't see any indication that it's all over, you know? It's all over, Teddy. It's all over. Will Bitcoin mark 23% rally to 28K? When was this? 2 hours ago? Bro, you're sleeping, man. Bitcoin records 2x higher 30-day trading volume than Apple despite bear market. Will the Fed prevent BTC price from reaching 28K? 5 things to know about Bitcoin this week. Okay, this is interesting. Let's read this. Bitcoin enters a new week with a question mark after sealing successful weekly close. Many hope that their pair could exist in recent trading range and continue the higher. The weight of the Fed is clearly visible as the weeks get underway, adding pressure to an already fragile risk asset scene. The fragility is also showing in Bitcoin's network fundamentals. Miner strain becomes real, and true cost of mining through the bear market shows. At the same time, there are encouraging signs that some on-chain metrics with long-term investors still refusing to give in. There are signs. There are signs like this because look at the volumes and stuff. You know, it really isn't changing too bad. Wait, is this volume? I think this is volume. Yeah, volume. So, I mean, the amount of sells that are happening are really not that much. You know, if you compare the volume overall, like compared to this day, where the volume was up like anything. You know, a lot of sells happening. It's relatively going down, which means people are still just watching, waiting, holding, right? Uh, The story of next week, all things are equal, is no doubt the Federal Reserve rate hike. A familiar tale, the Fed FOMC on July 26th, we'll see policymakers decide on the extent of the next interest rate move. This is tipped either to be 75 or 100 basis points. So this is our point on the stream. Is this really going to matter to us? Let me see here. 1,000 at launch is worth over 16K, now priced higher than launch. So you're going to get in now, and how much more you think it's going to go up, Cornish Crypto? I mean, I'll definitely be intrigued. Teddy, do you know if the PLNT to PLNT Max token migration will happen automatically, or do PLNT holders have to self-migrate? I have asked PLNT on Twitter and Telegram, and they don't answer. No, I'm pretty sure it's a self-migration. I'm pretty sure it's a claim site for PLNT Max, but I can double check on that. Because I think that news is coming out this week, right? PLNT Max is going live sometime this week. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's the timeline because it's already 7:25, and I know they wanted to go before August 1st, so I'm pretty sure sometime this week we'll find out all the details. Teddy, did you enter on Lunatics? Is going crazy? No, Ronald, I didn't. Crypto Life, what's going on? Nice to see you. Welcome. Thank you for integrating me into your morning. Appreciate that. No, Lunatics? What the heck is a Lunatics, Ronald? What are you buying, man? What are you buying? I am a lunatic, but that's because I buy Terra Luna. But Lunatics? Yeah, Lunatics. What the heck is this? Can be modified by the country, disable selling, mint new tokens. Oh, I don't like that. Mint new tokens. What is this? Why are you doing so well? Invalid simple Luna T USD. All right, well, give me the contract. I'll go look it up on Dex Tools. Dex Tools. Luna T. One's paired with WBNB, the other is paired with Luna. What the heck is Luna T? Why there's so many buys? July 22nd, July 25th, and it's just been going up. How many holders? We have 1,358 addresses. Damn. 17 seconds ago, buys. Why are people buying this so quickly? What? Is there a website? Oh yeah, website. Take me to the website. Lunatics. Lunatics hyper deflationary token dedicated to rewarding holders in Luna Classic, burning the supply of Luna Classic and creating classic Lunatics range of NFTs. 10% taxes buy and sell, so 5% in and out, or no, 10% in and out, so 20% round trip. Bro, come on, you're just taking my money at that point. Private sell 20%, 20 billion tokens, 17 exchanges 18 billion, sent to dead wallet 10 billion, pre-sale 35 billion. I don't know, this seems crazy, dude. Why are you in this? Yeah, but so does Moonwave and stuff, right? Are these guys doxed, or is this like, oh, core team, here we go? Russell? Thunder. Feel the thunder. Lunatics token contract developer, Cracovia. Okay, so some of these guys are doxed, but are they really? Can I click on them? Are these just pictures? Pablo, what's up, Pablo? I don't know, man. This is one of those that I just don't know. It could take off. It could be another 50 million Luna Classic token just burned 2 days old. Lunatics just burned 50 million classics. This is just the beginning. Terror Rebels. Can't wait for CryptoCom. Congrats, Lunatics tokens. I mean, they definitely aren't getting too much. Their followers is only 2,000, 3,000. Reward shilling competition, $1,000. Let's go, guys. Get everyone to know Lunatics is here. Yo, are you in the shilling competition, bro? Ronald? Rewards. Screenshot your lunacy rewards and shill it on Twitter. Say and tweet Lunatics is bringing Luna Classic at an insane rate. Yeah, but how is it insane? It's not that much. I can't see any lunacy on mine. How can I see mine? Luna Classic address. How I join. Guys, definitely not financial advice. I'm just taking a look. Don't forget the Lunatics token AMA starting in 30 minutes. Nobody wants to miss a chance to grab. Okay, well, Lunatics token take 2. 618 tuned in. Dude, only 3 people joined that space, bro. Oh, wait, wrong one. 1 second. Share.
Obviously prove that we keep our promises and the project is legit, and obviously with the people standing behind it, then obviously I think they'll come on board or come around to the idea. But hopefully this is one step, like tonight doing a burn, in that direction, that everyone kind of comes on board and we can kind of build this community to what I believe. I mean, the potential is huge here.
Hello.
How you doing?
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Yeah, if I see you in here, Ronald, I'm going to cry.
Oh, fine. Firstly, thank you very much for organizing this. My question is that for the burn, Luna burn, without the TFL, the community can do the burn.
Pardon, sorry?
Without the TFL, I mean, without DoCons,
yeah,
the community can start the burning after 10 days or from the 12th August, if it's not in the main net. Hello?
I'm not too sure what you're trying to say. Like, can the community start burning?
Yeah. The community can burn 1.2% tax without the TFL permission. I mean, without DoCons involvement.
I think that's possible.
Yes, it's possible. You can burn without DoCons involvement. That's absolutely true.
If that is the reason, I mean, that is the main issue. All we are trying, and happy Catty Crypto trying, and you are also trying.
We can now like kind of penetrate the sites where you can actually see.
I'm just looking for Ronald in here.
The topics are,
Ronald.
Yeah. So it's just trying to.
They got a few more people coming in.
Basically branded in the crypto space. So I just wanted to get a little bit of an insight, if we can get a bit of an insight as to what marketing is currently planned for us lunatics, and to get out there to the rest.
I mean, we've reached out to numerous influencers on Twitter. I won't mention any names at the moment, but they've shown a great interest. And I think that they will at some point come on board. I mean, you've seen that Matt Perry has shown a great interest in the project. He's spoken about it 2 or 3 times in his broadcasts, which is questions that
we've got one
folk wanted to ask. Okay.
Big crypto. Okay. We'll call it a night. I appreciate everyone jumping in tonight.
Exactly. Guys, thanks ever so much.
4, 5,
sorry for the early
6, 7, 8 people.
At least we got on. And
I don't even know who this Duncan Gray guy is. I keep
anyway.
looking at him. He sounds familiar. That's the weird part.
with our plans, with
He's
more
in
burns,
Prague, London,
and hopefully
Zurich.
announcing some kind of partnerships that we've got in the pipeline. So
3-0 Dow. I know
at
3-0
your
Dow. I
night
think
or
they're on
day where it is,
Shibnobi
wherever you
swap.
are, and we'll speak shortly, I'm sure. Duncan, thanks for hosting that last minute as well, obviously.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah. Cheers. Sega. Thanks, Nano. Cheers. Happy to jump
Well,
in.
I haven't heard of them. I have not heard of them. I don't join the Telegram. You're trying to get me in there, aren't you? Teddy, you can be one of the influencers. Teddy, you can shill the project and you can win the $1,000. Teddy, that's what you're supposed to, Teddy. Oh, God. Dude, it's literally on a high, 100% up. Market cap 3.7, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Started at 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So it's 4x from where it was. God damn it. Don't do it, Teddy. God damn it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I see what you're doing. We keep going through things. This is where we stop, Teddy. None of this. None of this. Not doing this. No one is doing this. No one is doing this, and no one should be doing what I'm about to do. Oh, God. Don't do it. 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 What the hell? Selmo Fudd. Selmo Fudd in the building. $10. Good morning, Teddy. What is the crypto future of ISO 2020? What is the crypto future of ISO 2020? What the hell? 20,020 crypto? Is there something called that? Nice hat, Teddy. Thank you, Ace Hole. It is a good play, Teddy. Thanks, Teddy, for having a look. You're welcome, Cornish. Morning, guys. Ace Hole. Anandya Raspati. Always triple G's. What's going on? I actually went shopping yesterday for a baby stroller, Anandya. Let me tell you, baby strollers get crazy. Baby strollers get crazy. Understand, import. Wait, isn't there a token sniffer for BNB? I want to see where it is. Token is not a honeypot. All right. Well, there's liquidity. Yeah, they got 1,200 liquidity. Is it locked? 99% is locked with pick lock till July 21st, 2023. All right. All right. I see you. We're going to enter 0.0. No, 0.5. Screw it. Let's see what happens. Up. Increase my fee. 25. What was it? 10% in, 10% out. So 11. Swap. Confirm. Unexpected issue with estimating the gas. Please try again. Get out of here. It's not letting me do it, man. It's not letting me do it, man. 12, 15. All right, let's go to 15. Norky, 15 Norky. So now I'm going to go to the bare minimum here. 12 Worky. 12 Worky. So not 11, but 12. All right. Let's see what happens. This is money I'm willing to lose. The heck? What did I just... Value 0.5. This transaction has been included and will be reflected in a short while. I'm waiting for my block, bro. Tell me... What is it? It's a good play, bro. We'll find out. We'll find out if it's a good play. What the heck? Oh, they do it every transaction they're burning? No, they're not. This is just going to random people's wallets here. What the hell? What the hell? Wait, so let's see. I went from pancake swap to pancake. So where's... Okay, here's the dead address. So it also burned 30,000 lunatics token. Okay, that's good. Okay, this here this landed in my wallet, which is 2 million something. Okay. Then from the null address, it went into this part makes no sense. Why is the dead wallet? Is this also a dead wallet? No, this is not a dead wallet. This says dead. So what the heck is this wallet? See, this is why you gotta look into these things, man. Swap ETH for tokens, Luna Tracker. Luna Tracker. Okay. So they're using some intermediary token in here for tracking. I guess it's the exact amount. Yeah, it's the same exact amount as Lunatic. So okay, so this is a tracking token of Luna. All right. So now what's all this? Why are you sending Luna wormhole tokens to all these addresses? Are these burn addresses? Whose addresses are these? These are all from the contract. DB7. Let me see. The contract ends in 4E. Yeah, so where are these coming from? DB7 is not used anywhere. So these are just random. What the hell is going on? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm seeing here, and it's kind of scary, actually, to be honest. Logs. Yeah, well, show me the logs for the other tokens, and I'll believe you. No, they're really real transfers. Those are legitimate transfers that are on top of my. I'm going deep into the rabbit hole. I see what's happening. UK Worm Luna as rewards. UK, bro. UK indeed. I'm just kidding. All right. Well, let's see. So I put in. I'm already at 0.45, so we'll see. All right. Well, Lunatics, I don't think anything new is going to happen. There are iffy things here. You can mint new tokens, transfer tokens. Extreme caution. Do your own research. The website does look interestingly weird. No one can click on anything. So this is straight degen play for me today. So pre-sale on Pink Sale. Let's see this. Did this sell out? Oh, dude, they came in with 1,000 something BNB, bro. What the hell? Was that more than 1,000 BNB? No, it's 1,000 BNB. Dang. People got in real quick. No mint function detected. Owner can change fees up to 25% at max. We're basically at 20, so 25, 50% that he could change it to. Oh, here's the set fees. Okay, here we go. I like this. Owner can change max transaction amount with limit. Okay. So can he send it to 99? Owner cannot disable trading. Okay. But if he holds most of the wallets, there's ways around it. Teddy bought to be exit liquidity. Critical thinker, did you just come in out of nowhere just to say that? I meant ISO 2000. I'll check this out. I haven't heard of this. Is this on CoinMarketCap? ISO 2022. Is this a real thing? What? Isn't ISO standard? What the hell am I doing? ISO 2022. Seize the opportunity for modern payments integration hub. ISO 20 is pushing banks to examine existing payment pain points such as onboarding, monitoring, processing the core banking applications. Much discussed but rather vaguely explained as how to derive cost efficiencies and provide better customer service from payments modernization project. The short white paper outlines the concrete examples of modernizing with a payments integration hub, achieve strategic technical goals that result in tangible business outcomes, enabling smooth migration to ISO 20022 while creating consolidated future-ready framework for open banking. Oh my God, what am I reading? And other critical Dude, this just sounds horrible. What the hell? Are people really going to the standard? A single standardization approach methodology. Yeah, they really are. This is real. Who's actually following this? Is ISO 22 mentoring? Is not mandatory. Okay. but those that do not act now risk being excluded from international payment systems. So they're trying. This is all part of this regulation. This is horrible. Why would you do this to me? No, bro, I'm happy to see you on. You only stream for an hour, so it's cool to catch you live. I don't even stream for an hour. I only stream for 30 minutes. 30 minutes to 40 minutes, bro. Where you been? Where you been? ISO Wikipedia. Nice to see you, Critical Thinker. Nice to see you, buddy. It's been a long time. I definitely appreciate you stopping by. But this definitely looks horrible. This ISO. Management of the Standard Adoption, a 2015 Federal Reserve classified Europe having mature adopters of ISO. Okay, well, Europe like restricts everything. All right, so if that's your standard, then again, America wants to follow the standard of Europe with the KYC wallet. So India, South Africa, Japan, growing adopters. India's been a growing adopter, bro. Almost all the financial companies like Citibank, Bank of America, JP Morgan, they all have oh man, I'm going into a deep rabbit hole, but they're literally all the IT work is offshored to India, South Africa, Japan, Singapore, Switzerland. These guys have some inputs on some of the tech that they're doing for the United States and these other countries. But in the end goal, if they're growing adopters, it's just because they're building the tech for us so they can adopt the same tech they build. Right? This is deep into the conspiracy now, but a lot of people believe, even with like government and what do they call it, military things, it's the same way where we outsourced it. We basically gave our blueprints to other countries. They saw our how we're doing things, our banking systems, things such as cars, like Teslas, right? They're able to copy the exact same thing because we're basically outsourcing everything and giving everyone the exact answers on how to do it. The only people that did it right is KFC, man. KFC, no one knows that. No one knows the secret recipe. They were like, hey, 50% of you guys know half of the recipe. The other 50% McCormick knows. And together we have KFC. That's how you protect your IP, your intellectual property. But when it comes to America and doing some of these things, man, we just outsource so much that I just feel like other countries are adopting because they're the ones making it for us. And when we're telling them these are the standards we want you to follow if you want to do international business. So it just feels so flawed. Oh, look at all these other countries. No, you do an hour on the late night. Yeah, I've been doing 45 minutes about on the late night. But guys, I do got to go. I will catch you guys next time. What other last name is widely used in India other than Patel? Patel, Reddy, Reddy. The Bush's baked beans recipe is also safe. Yeah, Bush's baked beans. That dog won't tell anybody, bro. All right, guys, I will catch you tonight. Thanks for stopping by. A lot of good conversations this morning. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye.